Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: Honey Balsamic Baked Chicken. Let's get to the ingredients. Honey, balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, chopped garlic, and of course, the chicken. I've already washed it in lemon juice and cold water. What I'm using is chicken drumsticks and chicken wings. You can use chicken thighs if you like, but chicken breasts will not work in this dish because chicken breast is kind of dry. So let's move on to the next step. I have a baking sheet here lined with parchment paper. I've already mixed the ingredients for the sauce in this bowl here. And this is what we do. We take the chicken and place it in the baking sheet. This is a very simple and quick dish to make. And as usual, the ingredients will be in the description box below. See? Now the next step is we take the sauce and we pour it over the chicken. Then we turn on the oven and set it to 350 degrees, and we bake this for about 30 to 40 minutes. It really depends on your oven. You might need to cook it longer or you might need to cook it less. There you have it. Then after it bakes for about 20 minutes, I'm going to flip them over to the next side and pour some more of the sauce on the other side. I've taken the chicken out of the oven, and the next step is we're going to flip it over to the opposite side so I can put the sauce on this side. Okay, now they all flipped over. We're going to add the sauce to this side. Then after we add the sauce, we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook for another 25 minutes. Okay, I've basted this side. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven. Well, I've taken the honey balsamic baked chicken out of the oven now. And this is the finished product. I'm serving it with roasted sweet potatoes. You can serve it with roasted white potatoes, mashed potatoes, roasted vegetable, whatever you choose to serve it with. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.